Crested geckos are a popular pet reptile that are beginner-friendly and fall into the low-maintenance pet category. They originate from the forests of New Caledonia, South Pacific, and are primarily active at night. Adult crested geckos grow to about 7–9 inches in length and can live for 15–20 years. They require a 20-gallon vertical tank, as they are arboreal, tree-dwelling creatures. The best substrates for their enclosure include coconut fiber or reptile carpet. Their ideal temperature range is 70 to 78 degrees F, 20 to 26 degrees C, and they do not require a heat lamp or heating mat. Humidity levels should be maintained at 50 to 80%, which can be achieved through daily misting. The tank should also include branches and vines for climbing. When it comes to diet, crested geckos primarily consume commercial crested gecko diet, CGD, which is the best food option for them. Occasionally, they can be fed live insects such as crickets, roaches, or waxworms. A bowl of fresh water should always be available. Crested geckos are gentle by nature but do not like sudden movements. Over time, they can become tame, but excessive handling should be avoided. If they feel threatened, they can drop their tail, and unlike some other reptiles, their tail does not grow back, so handling them carefully is essential. Some of the pros of owning a crested gecko include their beginner-friendly nature, low maintenance, no need for special heating or UVB lights, and lack of strong odors. However, there are also some cons, such as tail loss being permanent, the need for maintaining high humidity, and the fact that not all crested geckos enjoy being handled.